Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The complaint filed by the complainant is rejected, and therefore the relief to say that the license be cancelled or suspended has not been considered. That prayer has been rejected. The license, when you make an application, there's a particular form. In that form, it's written on top, name of the license holder. Applicant is always the name of the license holder. When that application was made, a death certificate was produced. And when the matter came up before the authorities, after having seen the death certificate, made us to make an endorsement that the succession proceeding shall be completed and transfer shall be done within a period of 6 months. That endorsement is there. And because of that particular endorsement, we initiated inventor proceeding, and the court has appointed her as the head of the family.
The order is very surprising. The Excise Commissioner in his order has not referred to the illegalities in obtaining the license. He has not gone on the records that were before him. I am surprised that the Excise Commissioner, Narayan Gad, chose to be caged parrot of his political masters to try and shield Smriti Irani. He doesn't make any reference in the order to all the documents that were before him.